Director of Epidemiology at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Avery Hinds, says another lockdown will be determined not by the number of COVID-19 cases, but by the ability of the health sector to manage the pandemic. Dr. Hinds spoke at the Ministry of Health's press conference this morning. Sunil Lalla has more.
Thank you, Vidya. Health officials will only advise governments on reintroducing lockdown measures if the speed of new infections begins to endanger their ability to manage the public healthcare system. The statement was made by epidemiologist Dr. Avery Hinds, responding to a question during the Health Ministry's update on COVID-19 this morning. He says the average rate of daily cases stand around 30 at this time, but warns that it could increase based on the behavior of persons. Dr. Hinds adds that with the opening up of beaches, people need to practice proper physical distancing and limit their groups. He says people always have the choice of turning around if they believe the beaches are too crowded, and urged people to wear masks as much as possible while on the shore. Asked whether the ministry would advise the government that the daily average increase to a certain number, Dr. Hinds says it is purely based on how they manage the number of cases. He says anytime the opening up of a population is done, there is always the potential risk for the spread of the virus, but urge people to limit their interaction to learn to live with the virus at this time. Sunil Lalla, PTT News.